Mubarak to you all. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing Kohl rimmed eyes to get ready for Eid, for which I am taking Kaybeauty's loose powder and applying on my lids to get a smooth surface to work on. After that, taking my Lakme Eyeconic Kajal pencil and drawing a rough thick liner on my upper lash line. Drawing a rough line as we have to smudge it with a brown eyeshadow to get a very diffused look. Don't forget to tightline like I am doing here, as this makes a huge difference. Now I am dragging the same Kohl pencil to my lower waterline as well, since we are going for that heavy kajal look. Don't worry at this point if it is looking over as of now. It will all make sense after smudging it. Take a very precise brush and grab a brown eyeshadow on that brush and start smudging the liner with very little pressure. Eyeshadow which I am using here is from missclaire in the shade 215. It is a classic brown eyeshadow. Smudge it with all the patience, as this is the only thing which will make our eye look excel. Add the eyeshadow intensity very slowly here, as we do not want our Kohl intensity to go down. Use that much eyeshadow only which is required just to soften the Kohl. Repeat the same smudging process for the lower lash line as well. Do not forget to smudge that inner part of the lower lash line. Smudge that corner for upper and lower lash line as well. We usually forget that part and then upper and lower eye parts look disconnected. Now taking a fluffy blending brush, picking the same brown eyeshadow and then defining the crease here. Watch out for the applied pressure. We need very soft crease for this look. This will be all matte eye look, so we will not apply any shimmer or any other eyeshadow on the crease or lid. So blend this eyeshadow with utter patience. Do not go overboard with this eyeshadow all at once. Pick the product on the brush gradually till you are happy with how the shadow is looking on the eye. Now here comes the felt tip liner to get the Kohl intensity back again without losing the softness which we got from the smudging. Apply a very rough liner on the upper lash line, pick your small precision brush and start smudging without picking any more eyeshadow. This step makes a huge difference in this type of Kohl rimmed eyes look. It gives that well smudged effect even more. Take the fluffy blending brush again without picking any more eyeshadow and again give a last definition to the crease. Just look how we put the black color back to our eyes. Check the difference in both the eyes. I'll do the other eye off camera and be back. I applied 2 coats of mascara and some fake lashes to bring some drama to the look. To get the even cleaner look, taking a wet wipe and cleaning any fallout if happened and giving some outer corner shape to the eye. Now, to get back the under eye hydration, taking some face moisturizer and massaging well to prep the under eyes. This cream highlighter from Inside Cosmetics in the shade Cosmic Power, a little dab to the pot, and this goes straight to the brow bone to balance the matte gold look of the eye. Now the usual drill for the base. Taking 2-tone darker color foundation for color corrector, I am using L'Oreal Paris 32-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in the shade Hazelnut. Applying this to my under eyes, and this is the only pigmented problematic area for me. Now taking L'Oreal Paris 32-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation shade 125, which is true match to my skin tone, and applying in dots fashion to all over my face. Then taking foundation blending brush and blending those dots seamlessly. Blend the product nicely on under eyes, as this will cover most of the color correction and then we need very minimal concealer. Taking Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand and warming up on the back of the hand and applying on the under eyes and blending nicely with the warmth of the fingers. This is just my perception, but I think blending concealer with fingers gives the most natural finish, and then this way product doesn't settle in those fine lines. Check the difference a concealer creates. Now, spraying 2 pumps of Swiss Beauty fixing spray on the palm, picking some on the fingers and setting that concealer in its place. I have very dry skin, so I avoid powder under my eyes. This trick works for me to get that unbrushed concealer all day. Taking that dark color foundation again and slightly contouring the face. Applying some on cheeks, forehead and little bit on the jawline. Now blending this in upward direction with the same foundation blending brush as the remaining True Match foundation will further help in soften the contour. Look how beautiful sun-kissed warm color we are getting on the face. Such heavy warm color. Contouring jawline and giving shadow right down our neck gives a slimmer look to the face. To blend everything together without any harsh line, blend everything with a blender. Bounce on every side of the face. Make sure to use a damp beauty blender for this step. Taking this amazing ETUDE house tint in shade Cherry to provide some blush color to the face. Applying and building intensity slowly on the cheeks. Start slow with tints as they tend to be really pigmented and leave a stain. Well blended tints provide a very natural finish and lovely color to the face. Apply same tint on the sides of the nose as well to make the look more natural and well connected to each step. I always mention all the product details and links to buy them in the description box, so please check that out if you wish to buy anything. Now, here I am loading the beauty blender with the setting spray and bouncing it on the face to melt and set everything. Make sure to set all sides of the face, every corner, every curve of the face to get the very polished look. Grabbing the cream highlighter again and providing the glow to the high points of the face. This highlighter is very much of high quality and very budget friendly. Just look at the glow it is giving to the face. I am using my fingers only to melt the product into my skin. Applying some highlighter on the sides of my forehead as well. Again, polishing the look with the beauty blender. Just look at the beautiful result of this highlighter. Applying the same highlighter a tiny bit on the tip and the bridge of the nose as well. Please do not go overboard with this cream highlighter on the nose. Any highlighter can look very harsh on the nose. Lips please. Taking my Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Sandy Pink and lining my lips. I am overlining a little bit of my Cupid's bow. This shade is a nude pink shade and perfect for all the light nude colors. Using a lip liner makes the effect of the lips more voluminous, which is so trending these days. If you are not using a lip liner, I would really suggest you to try using once. You will love the effect it gives. Here I am filling the lips also with the same lip liner. It will add up to the longevity of the lipstick and your lipstick will last much more longer. Then I am making it softer by just rubbing it with my fingers. Taking this perfect pink shade by Kaybeauty's range in the shade Suspense and applying on the lips very evenly. I just love this shade by Kaybeauty. Since we have gone heavier with eyes, we are using a nude shade for lips to balance out the whole look. Now dabbing it again to make it further softer. This look demands glossy lips, so I am taking my caffeine lip oil and applying a little bit on the lower lip and spreading it all over the lips. So here is the final look. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you recreate this Eid look, please tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle has been mentioned in the description box. Please consider subscribing. Eid Mubarak everyone. I'll see you all next time.